This is the Heart Hands die set from Spellbinders. There are 5 different cutting dies in this set to create these heart hands as well as the beaded bracelets. The hands themselves have a shadow as well as an upper level. They're very easy to assemble. There's 2 different pieces to each one of the hands. There's the main hand part and then there's the little tiny pinky finger tip. Again, very easy to assemble. I like to use some liquid glue so that I can move and shimmy it in place while I'm creating and get the perfect placement. By using a jewel picker for that little pinky tip piece, it makes it really easy to place that in the perfect spot. I like to make a couple of these ahead of time so that I have them all ready to go when I'm creating. The little beaded bracelets for the wrists could be added or you can leave them off, and I think it looks just fine without as well. It's personal preference. Again, I use that jewel picker to pick up those tiny little beads for that beaded bracelet, and then I added a little bit of stickles just to give them some sparkle. It also looks great done in metallic paper as well. To create a shadow box element or a shaker element, I used the shadow behind the hands and cut it multiple times and layered it together to give it some extra dimension. It creates a perfect element for the front of your cards, and I love the variety that you can get using this whole collection as well as these heart hands. I think they're going to be perfect for many different cards in the future and perfect for friendship cards.